is provided.
Hey guys! So, andito na kami sa sasakyan.
Going to, sa airport na kami.
Hi guys! So, nandito na kami sa loob.
Tingnan mo, kumpara mo yung ano, kesa dito. Ito yung sa Korea.
Ooh! Para tigpipiso. Guys! Finally! We're going!
In command of the aircraft.
Your attention to your who will demonstrate the seat is provided with a seatbelt.
Okay guys, Buzuanga, we're here. Ito yung hotel namin, Sunlight Hotel Coron. Oh, we're here!
Pagising lang. Bobby! Wakey, wakey, eggs and bakey. Kasi na. Mag-aalis na tayo mamaya.
What time is it?
6. Kiss mo.
Aww.
Give me a hug. Yes, hug. Punta kaming Twin Lagoon Lake, tsaka Barracuda Lake, and more. Got a tour guide later.
Hey, good morning! A little backstory on what happened. It was my first time nasabakay sa aeroplano. Para talaga akong like malalaglag na feeling, ganon. Saglit lang to get ready with me kasi may kailangan kaming habulin na breakfast at the same time yung tour namin. I think that's all. Alin ko na lang yung buhok ko and yun na, tapos na ako. Mag-breakfast na kami. This is the outfit today.
Spin! Hey!
Breakfast is served.
Hi guys, ito na.
Nasa tricycle kami.
Tricycle. Oh, ganito yung tricycle sa Palawan.
Wow! Guys, ito yung magiging mga kasama namin. Hi, we're in the boat. Hi! So yeah, as you guys can see, medyo maingay sa loob ng boat kasi naandar, basically. At saka ang ano nung araw, kahit hindi sobrang araw, ang init. So andito na kami sa Kayangan Lake. We're almost there. This is the Kayangan Lake. Babitan tayo banda. Hey guys. Bumili ka na ng buo. Babi, yan yung binili mo ko. Yung ano ba? Hi guys, our next destination is Secret Lagoon.
Saya, rock 50 years only.
A few moments later.
Dito kami sa Barracuda Lake. Kumukha mo si Squidward, wait lang. So, it's lunchtime. Ay, so kakain.
A few moments later.
Hi guys, nandito kami sa
Twin Lagoon.
Twin Lagoon. Yes.
Enjoy the sight. Ay, para tayo nasa Jumanji. Happy birthday to me!
Woo!
What?
Hanggang dito, princess ako, syempre. Ang init pero ang saya.
Last night you were looking so bright, I don't wanna mess up. You were ready dressed up. What I want, hold your hands in the ends, but you want this to end. Say goodbye. Yeah.
Hey guys! So, andito na kami sa, saan to, Bobby? Skeleton?
Skeleton shipwreck.
Skeleton Shipwreck. This is our last one. And ang ganda dito, grabe. So, dito sa last na to, dito kami pwedeng mag-swim. Diba? Yeah, I think day 2 to kasi day 1 namin yung paglapag namin ng airplane. Grabe, kapagod.
A few moments later.
So yeah, tapos na yung tour and grabe, isang araw. 7 yung napuntahan namin. Ito yung view. You see that? Coron! Say hi to kuya.
Halo po! Magandang gabi!
Siya yung maghatid sa amin papunta dun sa ano, kakainan namin.
Pinakamasarap ba yung kuya? Wow!
Hello! So, nandito kami sa Lobster King. Hi guys! Nakauwi na kami. And kakainin na lang namin sa hotel kasi dito sa hotel makakahiga-higa kami. Kasi doon hindi di ba Bobby?
Yes.
Yeah, this is our room. Hey so ayun nga, nakaligo na kami and kakain na kami. Ito yung na-order namin kanina. Look, this is the lemon and butter steam. Ito, grilled butter and lemon, right? Or the shrimp that we ordered. Ito yung lemon and butter na sauce. And this is everything! Daytrin Coron! Bye to Sunlight Hotel because we're gonna move to another one.
Every feels like October sky.
Hey, oo! Wala nang space yung SD card namin sa DJI. So we're just gonna use the iPhone.
A few moments later.
Lumipat kami ng resort kasi wala lang, gusto lang namin.
And I know how things must seem so fragile in our shells. And it's not so binary how we journey to ourselves. So how can I help watching the clouds pass through? No clue of the time. No reason.
A few moments later.
So, ang gala namin ngayon is ATV. Galing ko ah. Parang di sila naniniwalang first time ko. Ano lang ako kuya, matapang lang ako. Pag sumabit, ayun, saka matatakot. Pagod yan. So may nahanap kaming mga magagandang texture ng shells. Pero maghahanap pa kami doon.
A few moments later.
Tapos na kami guys. You good? Born and raised here, but
Tagalog per concha lang.
hi, we're home. Hey all, this is day 4. Day 4. And magbe-breakfast lang kami.
Last night you were looking so bright. I don't wanna mess up. You were ready dressed up. What I want, hold your hands in the ends, but you want this too.
Nag-check out na kami sa West Town. Ngayon mag-check in ulit kami sa Tags Resort. We're gonna try in Tags Resort for our last day also. Celebrate din kami today ng aming 45 months na kami. Sasakay na kami ng tricycle and yung sumundo sa amin is ganito. So, andito na kami sa Tag Resort. Our last resort.
You take mine, now you think it is fine. Doesn't make me so blind, you just waste a lot of time. I thought we're gonna feel this love, ain't it was
A few moments later.
now you don't. You forget all the memories, you close your eyes. You said it was different, but you still went away. What I
So, this is our last day in Coron. And tignan niyo siya, wasted siya kagabi eh. Okay, peak check.
Guys, may magic ako. Mawawala itong 10 piso. Ayun na. 10 piso, wala daya. Ano lang, igaganon ko lang ng 3 beses, mawawala na.
Okay, okay. Dali mo na. Ay, hindi pa.
Para mawala yung bad spirit. 1, 2, 3.
Nakita niyo yung daya? Nakita niyo yung daya? Nakita niyo yung daya? Ang